What if I told you that you could create Roblox cartoon videos in less than 30 minutes using AI, without animation skills, without recording gameplay, and without spending any money? Some Roblox creators are getting thousands, hundreds of thousands, and even millions of views with this type of content. The best part is that AI does most of the work for you. Roblox is one of the biggest gaming platforms in the world, with millions of active players and viewers watching Roblox content every single day. That means there is already a massive audience looking for this type of content. If you can consistently create Roblox videos, you have a real opportunity to grow your audience across YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact process for creating Roblox AI cartoon videos from start to finish. I'll show you how to generate unlimited Roblox video ideas, create AI-powered videos, edit them professionally, and follow a simple strategy that can help you grow your Roblox content channels much faster. Make sure you watch until the end because I'm going to reveal the complete workflow that allows you to create these videos quickly and consistently. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing you need is a master prompt that we have already prepared for you. This master prompt is designed to generate unlimited Roblox video ideas and provide consistent video prompts whenever you need them. Now open the Google Doc that you'll find in the description below. Inside the Google Doc, you'll see our master prompt. Simply select the entire prompt and copy it. Next, open ChatGPT. Once you're inside ChatGPT, paste the master prompt that you copied and click the send button. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete Roblox cartoon video prompt for you. This prompt will be ready for video generation immediately. Now let's say ChatGPT has generated one video prompt for you. If you want more video ideas, you don't need to write another long prompt again. All you have to do is type next and send it. As soon as you type next, ChatGPT will generate another brand new Roblox video prompt. If you type next again, it will generate another one. You can continue repeating this process to generate unlimited Roblox video prompts whenever you want. This means you'll never run out of content ideas. Whenever you need fresh content, ChatGPT can instantly generate another Roblox video prompt for you. Now that you have multiple video prompts prepared, the next step is generating the AI videos. For video generation, you can use any AI video creation tool such as VO3, Sora, Flow AI, YouTube Create, or any other AI video generator available to you. In this tutorial, however, we'll be using Flow AI, and if you want to generate unlimited videos completely free, you can also use the YouTube Create app as an alternative. First, open the Flow AI website and log into your account. After logging in, click on the Settings option. Next, select the Video Generation option. After that, enable or select the ingredient feature. Now set the video size to 9:16 because we're creating vertical videos for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. Next, choose your video model. For this example, we'll use the Lite model, which typically costs around 10 credits per generation. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt that was generated. Return to Flow AI and paste that prompt into the prompt box. Once everything looks correct, click the Generate button. Flow AI will now begin generating a video based on your prompt. After a short wait, your video clip will be ready. At this point, you can preview the generated video and see how it turned out.
Look at my mansion! Wow! You'll never live here.
As you can see, the video looks really good. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the second video prompt. Return to Flow AI, remove the previous prompt, and paste the new one into the prompt box. Click Generate again. Repeat this exact process for every video prompt generated by ChatGPT. Copy each prompt one by one, paste it into Flow AI, and generate all the required video clips. Once all of your clips have been generated, download them to your device. If you don't have access to Flow AI or another premium AI video tool, you can use the YouTube Create app for free. While the video quality may not be as advanced as Flow AI, it's still a great option for beginners who want to get started without spending money. You can choose whichever tool best fits your needs and budget. Now that all of our video clips are ready, it's time for the editing stage. For editing, you can use CapCut, Adobe Premiere Pro, or any video editing software you prefer. First, open your editing software. Next, import all of the generated video clips. After that, arrange all of the clips on the timeline in the correct order, following the sequence of your story or script. Once all the clips are placed correctly, the next step is color grading. You can follow the color grading settings that I'm showing on the screen to make your video more visually appealing and professional. After completing the color grading, add a good copyright-free background music track. Make sure the music matches the mood and energy of your video, because the right background music can significantly improve audience retention and keep viewers watching longer. If necessary, you can also make small adjustments to the video speed, transitions, and timing to improve the overall flow of the content. Once the editing process is complete, export the video using high-quality export settings. After the export finishes, your Roblox AI cartoon video will be fully ready to publish. Now all you need to do is repeat this process consistently. If you spend just 30 minutes per day, you can easily create one video daily. If you spend around 1 hour per day, you can create 2 videos. My recommendation is to upload at least 2 videos every day, one in the morning and one in the evening. You can even launch 2 or 3 different Roblox-themed channels and use the same process to generate and upload content consistently. Since AI handles most of the heavy work, the entire content creation process becomes much faster and easier. The most important factor is consistency. The more videos you upload, the more opportunities you create for your content to get discovered, attract viewers, and grow your channels. Remember, successful creators don't rely on one viral video. They build momentum through consistent uploads and continuous content production. One video might get a few hundred views, another might get a few thousand, then suddenly one video could take off and bring massive traffic to your channel. That's why consistency is the real secret behind growth. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this complete Roblox AI cartoon video creation tutorial. For additional Roblox channel growth strategies, be sure to check the document file where I've shared more detailed information about scaling and growing Roblox content channels. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more AI content creation tutorials, AI video making strategies, and content growth tips. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.